Hello, I'm Armin from SSP Academy. Today I want to explain a TimeFrame changer indicator, which designed for MetaTrader 5. Here you can see the visual representation of the indicator, where the TimeFrame buttons appear when you hover the mouse over the image. So, there's no need for the TimeFrame toolbar, and we can remove it from the chart. Also, full screen button can be used. Now, let's move on to the indicator settings. In the input section, the first option relates to the horizontal distance of the indicator from the top left corner of the image. The next section is related to the vertical distance from the top. The hide time option specifies the delay before the TimeFrame buttons disappear, and the angle of rotation of the buttons. Additionally, the background color of the buttons can be set in this section. Here, you can make adjustments for the color theme, whether it's for a dark or light mode. Now, I want to move the indicator to this corner of the chart. For this, I will set the horizontal value to 1820, the vertical value to 200, and the angle to 0. The indicator easily shifted to this part, and the arrangement of the buttons is suitable for this section. Now, I want to shift it to the bottom of the chart. The horizontal distance is 950, the vertical distance is 920, and the degree is -90. Now it has easily shifted to the bottom of the page. I will return the indicator to its default settings, meaning it will be at the top of the page. And now we want to change this graphic image. To do this, we go to the File menu and then to the Open Data folder section. We go to the MQL5 folder, then enter the Images folder where the icons are located. Here, you can see several samples that I created earlier. You need to create 2 versions of each one, with a dark theme and a light theme. Let's create a sample together. We go to the New menu and create a bitmap image, naming it something like New. Now, you can edit the image using any photo editing software, like Paint. You need to make sure that the dimensions of the image are approximately 50 by 50 pixels. You need to create the background color of your chart. You can find this option in the Properties menu of MetaTrader. You should enter the color codes in the Custom Colors section so that they get added to your color list. Use the Fill tool to apply color to your image. Now draw your desired design. For example, draw orange rectangle here. And draw some lines to the above. For example here. And here. Now we shall save the design and go to the Images folder. First, I have to change the previous file name to something else. The new sample created successfully, and we should rename the file to clock_dark to be known for the indicator. To see the changes, you should change the time frame, and now the new design appears. Maybe some fine-tunes needed, so you can easily adjust the positions in indicator settings. Well, our settings are complete. And to download the indicator, you can freely download the indicator file from the Telegram channel as well as from the SSP Academy website. Thanks for watching us.